Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan. So today we are going to hide our view on other WhatsApp status. So when we check other user WhatsApp status, then they can check easily which person check their status or not. So we are going to hide our view on other WhatsApp status without notifying them. On top right, you see three dots. So click on it and then you see setting option, so click on it. So we are in setting option. Now you see privacy, so again click on it. So we are in privacy section. Now you see read receipt. If turned off, you won't send or receive read receipt, so disable this option. So we disable this option, read receipt. So after that, when we check other user WhatsApp status or view, they don't know we check their WhatsApp status. However, be aware that turning off read receipt also mean you won't see if others have viewed your own status or messages. So after checking other user WhatsApp status, you can enable this option again. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.